Good morning, afternoon, or whenever you're seeing this. Um, you're all doing wonderful, and I really appreciate the effort. But as usual, before I put the grades on our assignments for the flyer from last week, I'd like to just go over them with you so you understand what the issues are and so you can learn from each other. So, without further ado, here we go. Off the bat, Megan did a real good job organizing the material. That is half the battle. It's readable. You can see exactly what the issues are. You know what this is about. Now, and again, good hierarchy. We know what it's important. You know what it's about. And here's what you need. Boom, boom, boom. Everything is good organization wise. Issues are kind of centering. Centering can be hard to read. You know, some things can be centered like a headline, but this down here, you're better off either flushing them left or lining them up together. Uh, Again, really, really readable. This is really good. Nice anchor. Also, the color. We're going to be doing color this week. And what does the yellow and blue boxes tell us? And should they be different boxes? Those are the questions. Anyway, also good dominant headline, but all caps is shouting. All caps is hard to read. Centered again. If you kind of squint and look at this, everything's the same sort of size. Make something bold. Have some variety. The information is there, but make some of these bold. There you go. Bold, we know this is program requirement. Here's our requirements. Too much vertical space here. Uh, That's a long list. Do we need all of these? For more information, maybe make one of these bold. Again, not bad. This is a challenge. All right, we'll talk about color this time. Summer internship, University of Tennessee, Chattanooga. What department? What kind of internships? Uh, Lots of different blues, blue and yellow balance off. Again, think of this reverse type may be hard to see. There's just a lot here, and we're getting a little ahead of ourselves on color. Okay, good headline, but then everything looks the same here. So it's a little hard to read. We need a little variety, need something, some bold headlines. All right, just the opposite. Big individual internship for whom? All of this heavy type is dark, it's hard to read, it's shouting. Give us a little variety of light and dark. Okay. Uh, this is good. Applying for, again, a little variety. This tells you this is very well done as far as content, but I like those. The problem is, again, centering. Little hard to read. Okay, again, you got the idea, but this is a light font. This is a bold font. Make your top one bold. We have one different font and everything else is the same font below. Okay, just kind of type heavy. And this kind of okay to have a different font for a headline, but make it bold, because if you talk about relative weight, this is not as heavy as maybe the bold. So if you're kind of weighing them, they're almost the same. Whoa, okay, we have the information here, but you need some headlines. And that, I'm not sure what the point is there. Again, too much light. We need a bold headline. This is a flyer. It's supposed to catch your interest in the first 3 minutes. Something like this, you just pass right by. Okay, COM internship, that's good. Requirement, good up here, but then when we get down here, way too type heavy. It just is very hard to read below. Okay, again, so many of you are getting ahead. The yellow is hard to read. Too much type here. Okay, better. Again, we're getting ahead of us on color. That leaps out, that's good. Should these be two separate boxes? I don't know. Probably not. And then good top and bottom, a lot of type in here. Okay. Communication, that's a good headline. What does these boxes tell us? It's, again, you have all these different elements that are not really working together. Okay, boom, internships or communication major. Here's a deadline to apply. Boom, I might make this bold, but this is all you need. This is good. Now, this kind of stands out. Either put this in the middle or you don't even need it at all. Okay. This is the same size as this. Give us a dominant element. Give us some hierarchy. This is good. This is well handled. Completed. We don't need to be completed all these different times. Must complete, and then you can get rid of completed, completed, completed. Less is better. Whoops, a little small, but that's okay. We can see it. Boom, boom, boom. There is that. Nice spacing. Everything is here. I like those. This is pretty good. Little type heavy here. Again, completed, completed, completed. Again, students must complete, and then say it once. You don't have to say it 100 times later. This is a challenge. Anyway, altogether, pretty good. Same thing. This is all we're asking. Good headline right there. This is also good. Okay, again, completed, completed, completed. We don't need, but, and do we have at the bottom for more information? Right at the bottom for more information. That would be helpful. So yes, this is a challenge because there's more information than you really need for the flyer. Also, we're doing color this week. Anyway, we'll get to that. Well, y'all did good. You'll see, I'll grade it by the middle of this week so you get a chance to look at this. Well, anyway, thanks y'all. You're getting there. We will go on to the next video shortly.